Now we are going to see that statement of P&L. The term itself is self-explanatory because previously we had the concept of preparing the T-shape accounting, so we called that as uh, P&L, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, then position statement, that is balance sheet. Whereas now all the things should be prepared in the form of the statement under section under schedule 3 of company law. Okay, now we have to prepare. What is the format for that? We have to take first revenue from operations, then add other incomes, total income we will get. Here in this question, we are given with the sales. We are given with for as far as the credit side is concerned. We are given with the sales, given with discount received. Any other income received. That incomes received should be taken in other income. Then sales minus returns should be taken in revenue from operations. Then total income we got, and another one is fourth item, we have to take all expenses. Okay, all expenses. What is that? In normally we used to debit the expenses in P&L account. All those things we are taking it here under the category called point number 4, expenses. So purchases, and then changes in stock. What is that, the changes in stock? We used to show separate closing stock in credit side and opening stock in debit side, whereas here that closing stock minus opening stock, that we have to take it here under the category called changes in the stock, right? Closing stock, normally we have to take it as opening stock minus closing stock, but here we are showing it closing stock minus opening stock. That amount should be deducted from the purchases in the sense net purchases. So what is the meaning for this? That that amount of stock, movement of stock should be shown here. Another one is employee benefit expenses. What are all the amount you are paying to the employee is shown here. Staff salary, any other ex gratia payment, okay, any other ex gratia payment, staff bonus, like that. All the things you are pay, what you are paying to the staff members of the organization should be shown here. Finance cost, name itself will tell you the meaning. Interest, noting charges, okay. Then another one is a checkbook charges, demand draft commission, all those things shown here. Then depreciation and amortization. What is that amortization? In amortization, in the sense the amount is amortized for various purpose. Depreciation, that you know very well. The only difference here is previously we had depreciation shown as the amount deducted from the assets in the asset side of the balance sheet, respective asset, fixed asset, and what the amount you are deducting, that should be in the P&L account debit side. Whereas here what we are going to do is the amount of depreciation what we are calculating. See, in this problem it is given as 10%. Okay, so we have to calculate the amount of 10% on what? On all fixed assets. See, you know very well, basically depreciation is calculated only for fixed assets. So for all fixed assets, plant and machinery, furniture and fittings, okay, for all fixed assets depreciation is calculated. The total amount of depreciation that comes to 5083, that is shown here. Okay, total asset, fixed assets value is 50,830. On that 10% should be applied. That comes to 5083. That is shown in P&L account. That is expenses side. And other expenses given in the question, so that we are taking it here. It is not a categorized. It is just like a miscellaneous expenses. Okay, total expenses we calculated, that is 3,12,583. Then after that, total income of 355 minus total expenses of 312, balance is 42,417 is the profit before tax. Why we are having like this? Because previously we have not shown like this. In T-shape accounting we have not shown like this. Why we are showing this one? Because tax expenses is the major component Okay, so for having the track on the tax, you should show it separately. So profit before tax minus the tax, automatically you will get profit after tax, that is 28,117. And if you are given, this is the profit as per P&L. If we are having other appropriated items, then we have to show that the dividend, what is the amount shared for a dividend, what is the amount apportioned for this thing reserves. Okay, for all those things if you are having, then surplus account we have to prepare. From surplus account we should deduct all those items to be appropriated. All those items should be deducted. Balance is what? That is 28,917 minus the amount to be deducted. Balance is what? That should be shown in reserves and surplus schedule of balance sheet. Okay, in this manner you will have to prepare the P&L account. Actually this is the full-fledged problem. We have to prepare balance sheet also, but for want of experience and understanding, I have prepared only the P&L, statement of P&L.